Now, Storm Team 4 with Central Ohio's most accurate forecast.
Well, it was a nice early March day today, but things are starting to change outside already as we're starting to see moisture moving across our area, and a little bit more moderate moisture will be in here in the next half hour to hour in our western counties this evening, heading into the overnight hours. We're also watching up to the north as we've got that changing over to a little bit of rain snow mix just north of Hardin County at this point. So all of us are just seeing rain showers at the worst falling at this hour. Winter Nation Tower camera still dry here in the city at this hour. We've had a little bit of drier air down near the surface to overcome still. You notice temperatures are dropping. We're down to 36 currently in Kenton. And again, this is going to be the area to the north that I have a little bit more concern for seeing a little bit of that light mix. With temperatures in the mid 40s, we are going to continue to stay rather mostly just rain shower activity overnight tonight for us here in the city. You notice wind chill temperatures are a little bit colder. Obviously, this does not change whether we see rain or snow, but this is something you'll be contending with out the door tomorrow morning. And as numbers continue to fall, I expect wind chills tomorrow morning to be back down into the lower 30s to upper 20s. So a little bit not as cold as it's been the last couple of mornings, mainly because of the cloud cover moving across. You notice our humidity is up a little bit at 51% at this hour. But again, it will take a little bit longer to get that moisture to actually start hitting the ground. So overnight tonight, we'll see this line of rain showers working its way across our area. You notice after midnight, as the temperatures begin to drop, we are going to start to see a little bit of that light changeover, mainly north of US 36. We'll see some wet snow showers mixed in with rain showers. But again, we've had such a warm period for a long time that I think most of it that hits the road surfaces will melt on contact and just keep the roads as wet. May get a little bit on the top of the car, you know, the metal surfaces that are a little bit colder, and in the grass. And you'll notice tomorrow morning we have on the backside of this low some of these snow showers, or on the underside I should say, some of these snow showers that will continue to kind of work across the US 30 corridor to the north. But as we get late morning and it's the afternoon, we'll start to see the low moving out of our area. You can see the spin right here. And on the backside of the low, now we start to get that northwesterly flow developing. So we'll have little bits of rain showers across the area during the afternoon, falling temperatures, and by the evening hours, we could have a couple of scattered flurries starting to move back in. So tonight, most of our temperatures still stay well above normal, from close to freezing to the north to the upper 30s here in the city, and even low 40s down towards the south. So I don't think we're going to see a lot of chance for the snow showers here in town, because I think we'll stay a little bit milder overnight tonight. As we head into the day tomorrow, we'll peak early in the morning hours, I should say late in the morning hours, but early in the day in the middle 40s, and then begin to drop in the afternoon as that wind shifts around to the north and west, and numbers will fall. And in fact, by this time tomorrow night, it's going to be pretty chilly outside. We'll start at 40 for the upcoming weekend, dry on Saturday, but it's a quick little pocket of dry air because we get another system that races back in here. It'll bring some wet snow and rain mixed on Sunday, another cool day at 41, and behind it we'll see flurries on Monday and chilly at 38, back at 38 Tuesday, and starting to warm by the middle of next work week.
All right, those are cold temperatures. Thanks, Dave. Yep.